Now, if the dragon is in the year, mag-ingat lang kayo sa tao sa paligid nyo, no? Do not find validations from them, no? Yaan mo lang yan. Actually, ang kalaban ng dragon for next year, sarili mo lang. So, huwag ka magpa-apekto. If the dragon is in the month, the dragon in the month has good business acumen, your career will be okay. Iwasan nyo lang mag-imo-imo. Yaan. But if you are a dragon in a business, this is a good one, no? Kasi parang kahit anong problema masosolve nyo. If it's in the day, just be careful of your mental health, no? So, wag kang magpapadala sa mga chismis-chismis. Tandaan mo, kung sino yung nagsabi niyan, hindi yan yung facts, okay? Parang may narinig ka lang na isa, tapos you take it like lock, stock, and barrel na parang totoo na yan. Wag. So, the dragons have to protect themselves, and the dragon on the day, you have to really, find change. Kailangan mo talaga magbago. At the very least, change haircut, no? By January, magpalit ka talaga ng haircut. Yung hairstyle talaga ang palitan mo. Hindi yung gupit-gupit lang. May bago. O kaya try to actually change residence, no? Yan ang maganda.